That's enough, Rollo. I don't want to live anymore.
I won't stop, brother. Because of this.
Stop doing...
All throughout my life, people have used me like a tool.
This, Rollo? Why are you still trying...
I was used by the Order.
to save me! You know that
And then you used me, big brother. Yeah, maybe you've been using me for your own ends right from the very start. But only the time I spent with you seemed real.
I was only using...
It was those memories that finally made me human.
using you! Rollo!
That's why I'm not... I'm not...
No, stop using your Geass like that! Do you want to die?
I'm not a tool. I do this of my own free will as a human being!
Rollo, why did you save me? After all I've done to you.
Because you're a liar, big brother. It was a lie, wasn't it? What you said about trying to kill me, about hating me and all of that.
Of course. And you saw right through me, didn't you? Just what I'd expect of my little brother.
That's right. I thought so. 'Cause I know who you really are inside your heart. I know everything about you, big brother.
Yes, you got it right. Your big brother is just a liar.